Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren Singh stressed on the need for a united fight against drug menace in order to save the younger generation. Biren was attending the inauguration of a multi-purpose hall at Laifam Kuno, Mitong Lampak today. Manipur Forest and Environment Minister Awangbo Nyumai has warned of stringent legal action against people who transport forest products without valid permit. The minister also said that the State Forest Department is monitoring people who are smuggling forest products in the state. Awangbo Nyumai said this while distributing forest equipments and gadgets to beneficiaries at a program held today at the Forest Department office in Sanjentong, Imphal. Imphal Municipal Corporation IMC Ward No. 3 Corporator H. Nutan Chandra today appealed to the government to cancel the delimitation process in IMC Ward No. 1, 2, 3 and 25. Nutan Chandra was speaking to pressmen at IMC Common Room. Ward No. 1 Corporator Gaidon Gangme, Ward No. 2 Corporator T.H. Purnachandra, Ward No. 25 Corporator and Deputy Mayor Sujata Faumei attended the press meet. India recorded 47,262 new cases of the coronavirus disease in the last 24 hours, according to Union Health Ministry update this morning. This took the nationwide tally to 1,17,34,058, the data showed. According to reports, the country also recorded 275 related fatalities, its highest one-day toll this year. The fatality count pushed the death toll up to 1,60,441, the ministry data showed. The National Investigation Agency yesterday filed a charge sheet against two separatist leaders from Manipur who had in 2019 announced the launch of the Manipur government in exile and declared the state's independence from India, officials said. Media reports said that besides Yambem Biren and Naringbam Samarjit Singh, the agency filed the charge sheet against the associate Naringbam Bishwajit Singh, Ilangbam Brajendra Singh and Akojam Dipa Anand. Myanmar's junta freed hundreds of demonstrators arrested during the brutal crackdown on protests today, while many businesses in Yangon remained shut and streets were deserted after anti-coup activists called for a silent strike. According to Reuters, several buses full of prisoners drove out of Yangon's insane jail in the morning, said witnesses, who included lawyers for some inmates. There was no immediate word from authorities on how many prisoners were freed. A 5-day cleanliness drive on Soy Maril organized by Brightway Club of Kwakaitel Lamdong Lekai concluded today. The cleanliness drive on the 1-kilometer-long stream began on March 20. Brightway Club President Haisnam Kipgan said that the cleanliness drive was organized to clean all drains leading to Soy Maril before the onset of monsoon. Kipgan added that Soy Maril is important for Kaisamthong, Sagolban and Patsoy constituencies. KHANGABOK Higher Secondary School KHANGABOK of Thoubal District today celebrated its 66th Foundation Day at the school hall. As a part of the event, floral tributes were offered to the photos of departed founder members of the school. Speaking on the occasion, KHANGABOK Jila Parishad member KH Rasmohan Singh stressed on the importance of giving proper education to children for a better tomorrow. Assam's COVID-19 cases have shown a rapid rise in the past couple of days as the state recorded 52 fresh COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours. With the detection of this fresh 52 cases, Assam's active cases tally has risen to 347. As per media reports, these fresh cases have been detected after conducting 14,236 tests. On the other hand, one more COVID-19 death has been registered in Assam. Petrol and diesel prices were slashed for the first time in 2021 after a sharp fall in global crude oil prices. State-run oil market companies (OMCs) today cut petrol and diesel prices by 18 paise and 17 paise respectively. Media reports said that OMCs may slash rates soon in the wake of a sharp drop in global crude oil price amid rising COVID-19 cases and reimposition of lockdowns in some countries. The Congress today targeted the Nitish Kumar government in Bihar after opposition lawmakers were dragged out of the assembly following chaotic scenes over the Bihar Armed Police Bill. The presiding officer in Bihar was reportedly forced to call the police after opposition MLAs had garrowed him in his chamber and created a ruckus yesterday. 23rd Annual Sports Meet 2021 of BB Paul Development Home kicked off today at the home campus in Mongsangay. The home shelters persons with intellectual disabilities. Apart from providing functional academics, the inmates of the home have garnered national medals in co-curriculars like yoga, sports, music and dance. The two-day sports meet is sponsored by Nishikant Sapam, the owner of Shanghai Express Delhi.